Oh my god, Jack the Skeleton, that's gonna go in my room.
They got big shoes.
He's so short in this.
Oh my
No,
God.
no.
Fix that. Mom,
You
that
fixed
thing-
it.
Mom, that thing's leaning. Mommy, that thing's leaning. That's right. Hey, look at
He's
his shoes
creepy
back.
looking.
I know, right? Look how big his forehead is.
Wait, can we start from the beginning of the story to the end, please?
Yes.
Y'all just kind of spread it out. We're not doing that. Nope.
No. Start from the beginning. Beginning. Oh, there it goes again. Matt, start from the beginning.
Take your hoodies off.
Me.
Because I want to see your pretty hair. Don't.
Sorry. I'll put this back, mommy.
Oh, Mama, I tried those Power Rangers thing. Hey, Mom.
I know those are.
No, I didn't know clown's feet were that big. Okay, get these. The biggest one. Get these. Can you get these, Mom? No? Oh, it is Grim Reaper. Grim Reaper axe.
Ooh, look how creepy.
It's so creepy. Well, look at this Grim Reaper axe. Grim Reaper axe. I think it'll be Aquaman.
His trident.
Oh my god. Does he move? It's a dead hand! They kill people here! Huh? I'm not going to that. They kill people here, look!
Oh no.
Hey, Mom. Scare that one. I'm Mom, they have costumes.
Senders and sisters, I can't say it right. Senders, sisters.
Mommy, these are babies.
Oh.
Mom, these are
A baby gremlin.
Oh, Hulk! Mom, it's a baby Hulk! I'm gonna be a stormtrooper for Halloween! I'm a stormtrooper! Oh, Mandalorian. I want to be
Oh, we gotta come back with Daddy to
my Chucky.
We
No,
get
I'm gonna be Darth Vader for Halloween. Darth
Look,
Vader? Mommy. It's Darth.
You want to be a Hocus Pocus?
Among
You want a
Us.
Sanderson?
Among Us and Pikachu. I look at it's Mom. Mom, I could become
I'll
Pikachu.
dress up like one for you.
Mom, I could be Pikachu.
Yeah, but we need one more. That can be one, but he has to agree.
I could be Pikachu.
That's awesome.
Pika.
I mean,
Pika. Look, Mom. It's Sally from the. Oh my god. Sally.
Nathan.
guys, look. Our wall. You wanna buy it, guys?
Hey, yeah. Mom, you hungry?
We have food. We have food, guys.
Mom, you hungry? We have food now. We have
You
food
have
now.
chocolate ice cream all over your face, son.
We got food for 10 days.
No, you don't.
No, we need like a whole stack.
Yeah.
Where are you going, son?
It's because the next one.
Just scam.
Oh, Mommy. Daddy in the Jurassic Park. It's a Ninja Turtle. Nathan, I'll be a stormtrooper. Hey, Mom, want Daddy to become a dragon and you'll be the princess? Oh my God, Nathan, look!
Oh my god, Nathan, that would be so good for you because you're so skinny.
What? No, I'm the skinniest one. Oh, Mom,
No, it's
I know what I could be. I could be the school clown. Hi, Mom.
You wouldn't know that.
Want to put the doll on the sofa? Do that.
Ooh, that's scary.
Oh,
Okay, come on.
I know how to do it. Mommy, I'll be Spider-Man. No, I'll be Venom. It's a Venom costume. Look. I did not know. I just forgot. Mom, I'll be Venom for Halloween. You already been hunting Venom. Hey, Venom. Can I put the mask on, Mom? Oh my God. No. I want to put this on. Hey, Mom.
No.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Oh my God. Hey, Mom, you got the sea monster? Then get this. Whoa. Why are they so big though? Oh my God. Look at these. These are so scary. T-Fon? Why are they so big? I want to get a costume.
There's nothing my
Oh my God, look at the horns. Hey, Finn, look, Daddy can be Batman. Wait, he's black. Mommy, Vecna.
He looks retarded.
Natalie. He could become Vecna. Vecna.
I don't want to.
Okay, let's go this way. There's people there.
Jason Voorhees got mask. Nathan, look. Jason Voorhees. Look at that glow. Nathan, you mean Jason Voorhees? Yeah, Jason Voorhees. He's dead. Mom, Dad can become Darth Vader too. Yeah. No, not too.
It's the fake knife.
Fake knife. Oh yeah.
Look.
Look, this cowboys are like dogs.
I can stuff it down my throat.
What?
He's like a shove it down my nose.
It wouldn't hurt.
Oh, I know that hurts. Stop. Hey,
Put
Mom.
it up, Ivan.
Hey, Mom. You know that game? That could be that game. That dude with the scar in his eye, the red scar.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Next one. Mommy. I want to feel it. You can be banana for Bonai. Daddy can be banana for Bonai. Purely.
Holy Bible! I didn't know they had these in the
Holy Bible. I didn't know you could be Jesus for.
I didn't know they had Holy Bible.
I didn't know you could be Jesus
It's
for
the
Halloween.
good book. It's called the good book.
Jesus, Mom, look,
Jesus.
Mom, look, you can be
Jesus gave
you
you the
can
Bible.
be Jesus.
Fake
Hey, Mommy.
cigarettes.
Mom, I'm rich.
Would be awesome.
Mom, I'm rich now. You're not even what?
Oh, I wonder where that.
In the back, yeah. You're the girl and that is the boy. In the catnip. Oh my God, he's Little Nas X. He's Little Nas X. He's Little Nas X. I'm not Little Nas X. Hey, look! Oh my God, Nana, look at the iPod. You can take us.
Come on, Evan.
iPod. iPod. It's time to
Okay,
go to
come
the
on,
next
babe.
one. Go to the next one. Over here. Yeah, over here. Oh my God, it's like a ghost. This looks like no, don't put it on. No, Ivan. Oh, look! Ivan, no. Yeah. Look!
Oh my God, Starbucks workers.
Hey, Mommy. Mom, you can be Shark Man. We can be Strong Man. We can be Shark Man. We can be Strong Man.
Muscle man.
We can be the tomato.
No, this is just baby stuff.
Okay, so this is no longer Halloween stuff.
This is just black.
Well, yeah, because it's black, gold, white, purple,
You
blue, green, yellow, orange,
just told me
pink,
that.
red.
Gold.
Yeah, you said a
It's Rainbow Man. And it's Rainbow. Don't put it on.
Come on this way, guys. This isn't Halloween stuff no more. Let's go back to the front.
60, 50.
Well, none of us are 60 or 50, so let's move on.
Tito is. I mean, not Tito. Lito.
Oh, I'm telling Tito.
I said I didn't mean to.
Oh, look, they got bingo. Smell your hands. Smell your hands. Love it.
Yo, that looks so cool.
That's awesome. Huh?
Oh my God.
Oh, nice.
Boogeyman.
Oh, Maribel.
Boogie.
Maribel.
That's Boogeyman. The
Hey, it's Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie just chilling over here with the rest of the peeps. Love it. Oh, yeah. Those pop things that Daddy bought you. Maribel.
Take my shoe out of the way. Take my shoe out of the shed.
All right, let's go back to the front where the Halloween stuff's at, guys.
Oh my God.
Look at those eyeballs.
Yeah, right. That dude over there. The big dude over there. I want to go back in.
Out?
No, we're going back to the Halloween stuff.
Took my dad to back at the thing.
It's 7. 6:59. It's 7 o'clock.
It's Pennywise.
Go ahead.
Oh my God, look.
It's Pennywise.
You can wear pants.
It's Pennywise. Pennywise.
Okay.
This one.
I want to be in Gryffindor, and you can be Slytherin.
I don't want to be.
It's Pennywise.
Hufflepuff?
No. It's Pennywise.
Ooh, Pennywise.
I want to put it on. We can be Georgie. Hey, look, we can be Georgie.
We can? Oh, yeah, we can.
Georgie and
Oh, look at that Pennywise down there.
Yeah.
Nat, you like that one?
She.
Mom, Freddy Krueger. Shoot.
That one looks better than the one I made you a couple years ago.
Look, there's Mario. There's Luigi and Mario. And it's Mom.
Look.
It's Stranger Things.
They have this perfectly intact.
Mom, it's oh, you look so weird.
I know.
Look, these look so weird.
Oh,
Mom,
that's
the Stranger Things. Nah, scary.
Stranger Things. Oh, Vecna.
Yeah, Vecna. Mama, look. You could be the day from the dead.
Thing from the dead. Yeah.
The day from the dead.
Thing from the dead.
Dead.
From the Day of the Dead.
The day of the dead. You know, think of the day of the dead. The day of the dead. The day of the dead. Okay.
Mom, you could be
The Day of the
Pennywise
Dead.
Halloween.
You could be the day of the dead. The day of the dead.
Oh, mommy, look. It's Jason the Fool. Mommy, look.
You should have think climbing
Mom,
towards
let's
it.
do animatronics one day.
Uh-huh. I like that. I'm touching it.
I don't like when it leaves.
It's so tall, I could fall on
I
you
do
and break
want
your
to
leg.
touch that. I do want to touch it. Mom, look.
Why are you still walking around with a spoon?
Dinner forever.
Oh my God, fingers.
I can buy my own dang, but it's not the center.
These are squishy.
Hands.
Squishy eyeballs.
Cute
I
though.
think we have better things than Spirit.
Oh my God, there's the spider webs. Spider webs.
We're gonna go to Spirit Halloween with Daddy.
Yeah. Yes!
I mean, not today, but yeah,
Tomorrow?
I think so.
We go to the day.
Ooh, that's creepy. Imagine having that in the window.
Hey, Mom, when can we go to
Sneak in our house. Sneak in our house.
Mom, when can we go to Spirit Halloween's?
Oh my God,
I
look.
don't know.
No.
They have the lung, heart, brain. Nice fingernails. I like that.
Eyeballs.
Look at Big Pond. Look at Big Pond.
Oh my God, you can make jello.
Come on, guys. Brain jello.
Brain jello.
Oh, look, they got puppy costumes. Let's get Hazel one for Lita.
I
Where?
try to find something.
Oh,
for
Mom, that dog's cool. Mom, that dog.
The only thing that would fit her if you found
That
something
dog's
that
cool.
said extra small,
That dude's cool.
because there's like
That dog's cool.
We have to go to
Yeah.
the pet
Nathan,
market.
look, the
no,
dog
you
could be a
can get- like if they had
very
something
cool
here that was extra
dog.
small, it would fit.
Hey, Ma, you can
That's
make
cute.
it'll be an avocado for Mexican.
Avocado from
And you could
Okay.
Mexican.
Come on, baby.
Mexican. Mexico.
Avocado for Mexican.
I don't like it.
Mexico. It's Mexico.
Oh my God.
Ma, I didn't know demons looked like that. Just
Cute people.
cow feet.
I'm not lying.
They can take human form. They can make anything.
Ooh, it's got maggots.
Oh,
Oh.
that's nasty.
Kid, it's so cute.
These vegetables are cute.
Ivan.
They'll put it on or something.
Get anything.
No, it's just a decoration. I thought you would have got scared.
We're not scared of anything anymore, Ma.
Enjoy being scared.
Yeah, enjoy.
Ooh, does this turn on? Oh, that doesn't turn on.
Alright, let's put this back.
No.
Put this back. Put this back. Bro, I don't know why I got this. You guys all got this.
Like we copy after you.
Stop following your steps. You guys may end up
Hey,
getting in
this
trouble.
is this where you got this? Is this where you got that?
Yeah. Put it back.
Oh.
Brave Beers. Really? It's got a peace sign?
Someone stepped on the shit.
Mama, you. Mom, watch me. Watch two of us. That one and me.
You're so little compared to him. All right, guys, come on, let's go.
Look up there.